Hello everyone, welcome back to Caring Guy. If you're looking for an affordable camera drone that's easy to fly, packed with smart features and perfect for beginners in 2026, then today's video is for you. Let's take a closer look at the YP1 Camera Drone and see what it really offers. The YP1 Camera Drone is a newly upgraded dual-camera UAV designed for smooth aerial photography and simple control. It supports mobile app control, optical flow hovering, and a 360-degree adjustable camera, making it a great choice for casual flying, travel shots, and learning aerial filming. Starting with the camera system, the YP1 features a 4K adjustable front camera paired with a bottom optical flow lens. This dual camera setup helps with stable hovering, clear image transmission, smooth video capture even for beginners. You can tilt the camera to find the perfect angle, and features like beauty shooting, gesture photography, and MV video production make content creation more fun and creative. One of the highlights of the YP1 drone is its optical flow positioning combined with four-way obstacle avoidance. This allows the drone to hover steadily indoors or outdoors, automatically slow down or stop near obstacles, stay balanced without relying on GPS. This is especially helpful for new pilots who want a stress-free flying experience. The YP1 is designed to be simple and beginner-friendly. You get one-button takeoff and landing, headless mode so direction doesn't matter, mobile app control for easy operation, and gravity induction, where you tilt your phone to control the drone. There's also trajectory flight, where you draw a path on the screen and the drone follows it automatically, perfect for creative shots. The drone uses a modular 1800 mAh lithium battery, which is easy to remove and install. On a full charge, you can enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time, a control distance of about 100 meters, and stable 2.4G Wi-Fi HD image transmission. That's more than enough time for learning, practicing, and capturing great aerial footage. To keep things exciting, the YP1 includes 360-degree rolls, speed switching, night navigation lights, gesture photo, and video recording. These features make flying more enjoyable and help beginners feel like pros in no time. The YP1 Camera Drone is ideal for beginners learning to fly, teens and casual users, travel and outdoor fun, anyone wanting a budget-friendly 4K drone. It's not meant for long-range professional filming, but for everyday fun and learning, it delivers excellent value. So, is the YP1 Camera Drone worth it? If you want an easy-to-fly drone with dual cameras, stable hovering, and smart app features, all in a lightweight and beginner-friendly package, the answer is yes. It's simple, fun, and a great entry point into aerial photography. Thanks for watching Caring Guy. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, would you fly the YP1 drone? See you in the next video.